Here's our Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal Pancakes with our garnish of an apple crumble. We took apple with some flour and some brown sugar and some butter and some cane sugar as well. And we mixed it all up, baked it for a little bit, let it cool down so we could have our crumbles. And we garnished it with some apple slices, Magala apple slices. My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a fall breakfast treat. I guess kind of like a treat. So in the fall, we pick pumpkins, we pick apples. So we're making an apple pancake. Yes, apple pancake.
And here are a list of ingredients.
Our rolled oats has vitamins B1, manganese, biotin, and it's extremely high in fiber. Cinnamon, vitamins A and iron. And our apple, A, C, calcium, iron, and potassium. You can use a food processor. We take our rolled oats and we pulverize it till it's like this, till it's like flour. That's gonna be our per se flour for our pancake. So I totally pulverized it so it could be like dust, see? So that's what you're kind of like looking for it to be totally crushed up. So take a look. Well, we have it right here in our bowl. Like dust powder. Totally crushed it up. Looks just like that. So it's totally like powder, dust. Okay, there you go. And again, I am going to this over. You want to kind of break up the clumps from the sugar so you can whisk it properly. We just broke the egg, beat it. We're going to do 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Let me get my 1 cup of milk. Oops. My 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I just put in my coconut oil, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. I do have a tablespoon of maple syrup to add. There we go. All right, and I'm just gonna start adding it to my fry. I have some apples that I thinly sliced that I put inside. 1 whole apple that I thinly sliced. Remember, claw back your hands. I thinly sliced these apples and I put it inside my batter. And I'm gonna mix this up. My batter is kind of thick, so you can put milk to dilute it or even some water. Now, I will say this. These apple pancakes are dedicated to my son. My son is an apple fanatic. Anything apple, he's with it. Apple sauce, apple juice, apple pancakes. As long as it's apple and it has cinnamon, he's with the program. Okay, so here's our oatmeal batter. You probably really don't need more than 1, maximum 2 of these pancakes because it is full of fiber. It is grounded up, crushed up, shredded to pieces, however you want to call it, oatmeal. And then we put apples in it, which also has a great amount of fiber in it too. So if you have any problems, you won't have any problems anymore because you have your double dose of fiber. Here's our Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal Pancakes with our garnish of an apple crumble We took apple with some flour and some brown sugar and some butter and some cane sugar as well. And we mixed it all up, baked it for a little bit, let it cool down so we could have our crumbles. And we garnished it with some apple slices, some gala apple slices. Well, here is our apple cinnamon oatmeal pancakes. Man, this is really super duper healthy for you. You have your apples, it has your vitamin C in it, and it has your fiber, and then you have the oatmeal itself, which contains fiber and it's whole grain as well on top of it, so it has your B vitamins. So let's dig in and taste. Like I said, my son Kevin, this is dedicated to him. He loves apples, and so I made this in honor of him. And he actually loves oatmeal too, apple oatmeal. Take a piece of apple to eat with that. Oh, I didn't get my crumble. Try to get my crumble in here. Oh, wow. Now I will tell you, since this is a thicker pancake, I'm not gonna be able to eat this all. Wow. This crumble is so divine. So divine. You taste the oatmeal from the crumble. Of course you taste the brown sugar and stuff, the cinnamon, the apples, because there was apple pieces in it. Really great. Don't forget to click the like button. And if you have not subscribed before, subscribe. What are you waiting for? And share this channel with your family and friends. They will thank you for it. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. So comment below. We do answer the comments, and let me know, how was your apple cinnamon oatmeal pancake? Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate you. We love you.